Welcome to our Kellogg's Origins inaugural flight around Loddington. So here we go. We're going to have a look at the clear fell in a patch of woodland at Loddington, across some wild bird covers here. And as the drone swings round, we can see some headlands that we're going to plant with green headland mix. We've got oats on the right. We've got a rather battered spring wheat crop on the left due to the weather. Now too dry, but when we drilled it, too wet. Tractor's getting stuck. But anyway, the drone is making its way down the middle of Big Park. And either side of that green strip is a wild bird cover that's just been sown with either a brood rearing mix or a seed mix or a pollen and nectar mix. So up we go, over the trees in full leaf here, with this video being shown at the end of May, so leaves are fully out. And down into the agroforestry there, and you can see the sheep grazing. There'll be the Leicester longwolves, and down they go. And at this point of time, the sheep usually wander over and start eating a tree, and it looks like the one in the bottom left there. Yep, over it goes. I'm not sure it's quite eating it, probably just a scratch today. Anyway, the trees have been there for about 5 or 6 years, and as we swing round, you'll see some of the shrub areas which are much better developed, where the sheep have not had haven't been so intensively grazed. And here you go, you can see a patch there with a few buttercups in it. Trees much more developed. As we fly down with the drone here, you'll see on the right buttercups once again where the sheep haven't been grazing. So down we go, out of the agroforestry. We'll probably just slow down here a bit and make sure we get over this hedge all right with the drone. And as we go over this hedge, you'll see on the right hand side there's a shrubby area with the more mature wood on the right of it, and this was planted under an agri-environment scheme about 9 years ago. Another headland that's just been sown around the outsides of our fields, and if we swing round to the right, a crop of winter beans. Just down in the bottom right we can see the oat field again. So as we swing back round, we'll have a look at one of our trial plots here. It's 2 tram lines, 48 metres wide, plough on the right. In the middle right in front of us is a min till for 2 tram lines, and then the 2 on the left are light till, so very little tillage. We can just pick out the dark green in the top left of another crop of winter beans. Sheep in the real top left now, and as we swing round, 2 fields of spring wheat. You'll see skylark plots there, and the final one, barley. So thanks very much for watching our inaugural Kellogg's Origins drone flight. Thank you very much.